ni Candy Lispa. Karibuni sana to our family YouTube channel, guys. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to cook mokimo. Mokimo using, we are going to use simple ingredients. Tatumia mokimo ya ndoma, waru, inaitangwa banana bichi na mahindi ya githeri na kitunguu tu hivyo. That way simple way. So guys, continue watching and see what I'm going to cook. Now I'm going to cook, guys. Tunaona kabebi kamelala, guys. Angalia kabebi kamelala. That is a motherhood. So guys, see you. Guys, as you can see, naeka kitunguu na nyanya. Na mafuta usiweke kidogo sana, weka mafuta enough. So guys, don't worry about the onyesha step ya kwanza. Sikuonyesha nikipeel the banana. As you can see, guys, I'm going to show you this. Hizi ndizo mahali penye nilipeel hizo uchafu za mandizi, ndoma na viazi. So guys, sikuweza kuonyesha. As you can see, I was carrying the baby. So as a mother, you have to balance everything. So guys, look, first of all, you unakaanga hizi kitunguu, then nikaeka nyanya. One thing I don't love it will be the way people cook kitunguu until it turn brown. I don't like that. You should just cook it a little, just little. Then you put nyanya. Today I did not blend the nyanya because it is mokimo. Mokimo uhitaji kufanya hivyo. Mokimo unahitaji tu ukikaanga tu hivi, that way. So guys, after here, sura zenye inaiva inakaa nzuri. Sitaweka vitu mingi sana. So one thing, guys, I'm going to tell you about our traditional mokimo. This is a traditional mokimo. You don't put a lot of spice. You don't really put a lot of this. Traditional mokimo is the most delicious. It does not have a lot of spices. It is the most delicious and it is simple cooked. So as you can see, I'm going to put the green. This is a spinach. I blended the spinach so that it may put that green color in this. So I'm going to put it now. So that it may cook well, so that I may not, because the skuma I did not boil it. Some people boil it, but in the villages we did not do that. We just cut them in the blender. You blend them, then whenever you are after that you put them. Wait it for like just don't use a lot of minutes, just 2 minutes. Then I'm going to put the other, guys. So as you can see, let me make sure I put everything. So guys, that give it like 2 minutes, guys. So guys, as you can see, it have been 2 minutes. So as you can see now, they are well cooked. I'm not going to cook them a lot. As you can see, the greens should remain green. So I'm going to put my mixture. As you can see, guys, these are ndoma. These are ndoma, waru, and bananas. That's simple, eh? So guys, I put them so that you may see me putting them. I'm just using 2 ads. So guys, I did cook a lot so that I may heat it twice. Me and my baby. So guys, as you can see, I just put them. Then guys, I'm going to stir them. I don't know if I'm going to be able to stir it well with one hand, but let us try. So guys, as you can see, I think it is going to be hard to mix them with one hand. So guys, wait for a minute, I mix them. So guys, as you can see, I've mixed them. So now these are maize, a boiled maize. I'm going to put this. That is how the traditional mokimo looks like. This is a boiled maize. So I'm going to put the maize. I had boiled them like 1 day ago. I put them in the fridge. So as you can see, they're still frozen. They're still frozen, guys, as you can see. Then I'm going to put a little salt. Mokimo, the work of mokimo is stirring. So guys, I'm going to remain it like this. Then I'm going to put some water. So I'm going to put some water. So guys, Let's wait and see it after a few minutes. So guys, as you can see, changalieni venye mokimo nimekima. Sasa unaona hii kidheri hii mokimo yenye unakutanga huko. Let me tell you guys this, the ndoma mokimo, as you can see, ndoma just simple way. Don't use meat. If you have money for meat like 100 bob, just don't buy meat, buy ndoma, viazi, mandizi bichi. Let me tell you, and mahindi, and just spinach blended. As you have seen the process, it is the most delicious food ever. This is the traditional way. So guys, please subscribe, like, share, comment, click on the show button. See you later. Now please guys, how does it look like? To me I see it look beautiful and delicious. Taste is the best than all the mokimo I ever eat. Make sure you put ndoma. Oh, the other time I don't put ndoma, you put meat, but this without meat, just ndoma. That the traditional way is the best. Please subscribe.